up, guys? In this video we're gonna be talking about which one is better, twin turbocharged or supercharged. This is gonna be a good matchup because I feel like twin turbocharged is better, but I think it all changed. So let's begin with the drag race. We're only gonna do drag race because that's all we need. Okay, we're both holding W. Keep in mind we're both in NA West, so we're gonna get similar ping. Try to make this as even as possible. Engine is all maxed out. It's only brakes that are stock. Everything else is maxed out. But he's twin turbo and I'm supercharged. So right now I'm in the lead. Oh, there I went. Okay, I won. Yeah. So I guess supercharged is better. I did 2 races with it, and I don't think it's ever gonna lose. So that was a pretty quick video talking about twin turbocharged versus supercharged. And thanks a lot to him. I'll leave his Discord in the description below. Or I mean Roblox.